with another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can we install the modified Miui 12.5.3 latest China stable build. So I already done modification, so let's see how can we flash the ROM. So I already booted my device into recovery, then just go to wipe section, like you guys already know about that. What you always do, just select Dolby data cache, system and vendor, and swipe to wipe. And I always recommend you guys to install installation process should be clean, so that's why I'm going to format data. And if you are using Android 10 ROM still now, then you don't need to format your data, you guys can easily install, no problem. And if you are using a higher version of Android, then you guys must need to format your data. So now do reboot to recovery. So device again booted into recovery. Now just navigate to the folder where we have stored the downloaded files, that means the ROM files. So when you download, you guys will get two files like this. Let me show you. Here you guys can see the mode. So you guys will get two files, which will be system and another will be vendor, and you guys can flash it separately one by one. And if you guys want to install together, then you guys can do that like this. Just follow my process. Just select the vendor first and then add to QE, you guys can see here, and then select system, then swipe to flash, and it will take some time to be flashed. So let it be flashed. So you guys can see here already boot image and vendor image already flashed, and now system image is flashing. When it will be done, you are good to go. Just remember one thing, if you don't want to install Magisk, then your TWRP will be removed, because this is kind of official ROM, so that's why your TWRP will be removed. So if you want to keep your recovery, then flash Magisk. So here you guys can see flashing done. Just get back and navigate to the folder where we have Magisk file. So here is the Magisk, the latest. Just swipe to flash and it will be flashed easily without any problem. And after booting, I will show you guys the full process and full setting. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like my work then. And you guys can see flashing already done. And of course the review will come along with that video, so watch till the end. And video can be longer, so and I can assure you guys will not feel bored. So watch till the end and you guys will get some interesting things to know. Just reboot system and your device will boot. So device is booting, you guys can see here, and in few seconds, yes, the boot animation is there. So it will take some time to boot, so I'm just skipping the video. So here you guys can see device finally booted, and before booting up few seconds ago, you guys will get a black screen, but don't worry about that, it will light up automatically. So if you, that's why it's not a problem, it's a system like this. So I just want to clear to you guys, that's why I told you. So don't worry about that, it will boot 100%. And remember that after completing setup, I will just review that ROM, and after first boot what steps should be taken, and I will tell you guys, so that you guys can easily use that ROM perfectly. So follow the instructions. So you guys can see I am on home screen, and after completing setup, when you will be here in home screen, you guys will get a notification like this: restore items. If you used in your life earlier the version MIUI 12.5.1 or earlier version, if you use Chinese ROM, then you will get restore items like this, or otherwise you won't get it. And if you get it, and I can say that you will get it must, and if you get it, then follow the process, just restore. Let me show you before I do. But the application's weather is just like a blurry shadow, that means application is not installed in your device. And another applications like calculator, mail, screen recorder, scanner, compass, and MI roaming, everything is just like blurry and shadow type, because all the applications are removed from my device. These applications are not installed in my device, so that's why it's showing like this. And if you never remove them, then you will not face this. And if you face like this, then just click here, restore items, and connect your device to Wi-Fi or data, then restore it, and it will take restoring. You guys can see 16 applications will be restored. And after restoring, I will show you the further process. Now you guys can see all the application is restored, so all the applications now visible. You guys can see which was not visible initially when you install for the first time. And after doing restoring, just do the thing which I'm just going to do now. Just pinch like this, and you guys will get first time that applications only this kind of applications you will get in your home screen. And by default I added that Gcam, which is Teco's Gcam, and Play Store is inbuilt, so I added Play Store so that you guys can easily use without any issue in Chinese ROM. So after that, just pinch like this and select all the applications which you don't need and you want to uninstall. Just do like this, and you guys can easily uninstall all of those. Just press and hold and just do uninstall, and you guys will get great animation here. Just do. So you guys can see all the applications already installed, and here we have more. So just click like this and uninstall. We don't need those applications, just installed. So you guys now have a clean user interface. And just do one thing, just open get apps. These get apps can be installed, because if I install this one, your device will face problem. You can face boot loop, it will not boot again. So that's why I did not remove that application. And just doing that thing, just press and hold on get apps and go to app info and find out the permissions and just deny all the permissions. Just deny, and you guys will get here. You guys can see the get apps. Now every permission has been removed, and just go to restriction and just type OK. Now you are good to go. So everything has done. Now you guys can install any applications, and you guys can easily use on your day-to-day life without any problem. So clear trash, just clear that on, and it will clean everything. So we are done. Now you guys have a clean user interface, and you guys can see here the latest security applications. I just changed the security applications, removed the older one, and I just put the latest one, which is 5.7, and previously we had 5.6. So, and the gallery application is also updated. I put here the 3.3 version. Previously we had 2.2. So you guys will get all the latest application. And here is the MIUI 13 file manager added. Previously we had the MIUI 12. So you guys can easily use, and fast and fluent user interface you guys can see here. So all the applications, and you guys can see no lag, it's really fine. And you guys can see here the settings. Let me show you the device info, and which is 12.5.3 stable version. You guys can check, and you guys can sign into my account, but I don't recommend to use that. And interestingly, you guys can see here the theme manager, which I actually use here, the modded one. I modded it so that you guys can easily use the third-party themes. So added third-party theme support. Let me show you. You guys can import any third-party themes. So here is the themes. You guys can see third-party themes. Let me choose that one, and it will import. You guys can see here it's importing, and it's already import. So you guys can apply easily without any problem. So it's applying, and let it be applied. So we are done. So I applied successfully. You guys can see here the status bar, everything got changed. You guys will get like this. So this is OnePlus. If you want that, you guys can easily use. If you guys want that theme, then let me know in the comment section. So here you guys can see everything got changed. So after that, open Play Store and sign in your account. You guys can easily sign in, and it will take some time to update the update library of Play Store. So let it be updated, and then you guys can easily use. And here you guys can see the Gsi camera, which is really cool and working really fine in Redmi 7. So here you guys can see the user interface, and we have the night mode. You guys can enable night mode like this, and we have some filters, amazing filters you guys can see. So it's working pretty much fine without any issue. So that's really cool. And we have portrait feature, and you guys can easily use all those, and especially this is for Redmi 7, so you guys can use it without any problem. And you guys can enable the grid option like this. So that's the things. And if you face any problem, then let me know in the comment section. I don't think you guys will face any problem in that case, and I already rooted. So if you want to pass your safety net, just go to magic setting and enable magic's hide. You guys will get the option here. Just enable the magic's hide. And one important thing, let me show you. Then here is the Play Store, and just sign in your Play Store. I'm going to sign in. So now put your email address. So you guys can see I already signed in to Google account. So you guys can see, and the Google contacts already synced, completed. So you guys can remove this like this. And after that, let me show you that thing. Just go to settings, and you guys can see here player product certification, device is not certified. You guys will get like this. Then just after doing magic's hide enabling, just go to app info and just do a clear data, clear all data. Do like this, and then just reboot your device. So just click on reboot. So device is booting, you guys can see. So device booted finally, you guys can see. So this is a good theme. You guys can see here animation. Now put your password, and it will unlock. So now you are good to go. So you guys can see here. Now open Magic's Manager. Now check safety net. So this is a safety net pass. You guys can see safety net is passed out of the box. So you guys can easily use any banking application without any issue. And if you have any unrestored files, then it will ask for restore. Then you can restore it, or otherwise no need. Just leave it. And I forgot to share one thing about Get Apps. So let me show you that. I changed the theme because that was dark theme, and you guys will not be able to see properly. So that's why. Just go to permission, which I told you. Just deny, and all the permission just deny. And then just go to notification. You guys will get notification here. Just turn off all the notifications from Get Apps. Now you are good to go, and you guys can see the smooth animation of the this launcher is really good. And you guys can see here I didn't add any updated launcher and I didn't enable here navigation wheel button because I like that animation and this smoothness, so that's why I didn't change. And if you guys want to enable navigation wheel button, then you guys can watch my previous videos. I already provided that video how to enable navigation wheel button. So if you guys want to enable, then have a look on that video. And everything is just working pretty much fine. And one important thing is that you guys can see here, you guys can uninstall all the applications. You guys can uninstall, you guys can see here, you guys can uninstall that one. And mail, you guys can uninstall. Even screen recorder, you guys can uninstall. Scanner, you guys can uninstall. FM radio, you guys can uninstall. Remote, you guys can uninstall. Compass, you guys can uninstall. Even recorder, you guys can uninstall. So am I roaming, you guys can uninstall. Let me uninstall this one, I don't need that. So am I mover, you guys can see, still you guys can install this one too, so I don't need that one. So I install all the applications. And even you guys can install the health application if you want to. Then even if you want, then you guys can install the notes, so you guys can see you guys will not get any application so easily. And if you don't need that service and feedback, then just remove the icon from here, so like this, that's okay. Now this is really clean user interface, you guys can easily use. So you guys can see the animation, it's really cool. And you guys can enable Miui 12 navigation bar. That's not navigation bar actually, status bar, notification panel, you guys can enable, no problem. What you need, you guys can enable. This is really smooth, you guys can see here. And all the, I already opened so many applications and no lags. You guys can see how smooth is that. You guys can use that. So hope you guys understand that. And if you guys need a depth review of that ROM, then let me know in the comment section below, then I will make another video and I will show you the CPU throttling and Geekbench score, run to the benchmark, anything you need I will provide on that video. So hope you guys understand the video. And you guys can see here, I removed the as a Miui assistant, which is totally in Chinese, and I removed app vault, so you guys can see no app vault is coming here. So unnecessary things, everything has been removed from the system, and battery backup is improved, so you guys can easily use. So hope you guys understand the video, and if you guys really like my work, please don't forget to hit the like button. Your single like motivates a lot, so I want a like. And if you're new, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. So thank you for watching.